One of my questions that I researched for this week was how do I help encourage curiosity in my students? I came up with 3 main ways to encourage curiosity. One was a more general, just encouraging students to find information and ask questions for themselves rather than just lecturing them and providing the information. My second was project-based learning. So again, encouraging students to find their own information, but then assimilating it and developing a cohesive project based on the information they find promotes and stimulates curiosity and then also creativity, which I think is an essential part of curiosity. And then my final way that I found was discussions and teaching one another. So interacting with their peers and defending their viewpoint and providing support for their viewpoint all supports curiosity, even if it's just simple competitions. So if the students becomes more personally involved because it's their opinion, so they have to support it by themselves. And then also teaching information has been proven to improve how well someone retains that information and promotes more understanding. So those were a couple of ways that I thought helped encourage curiosity in my students, because if they're not engaged, then they're in it with the information, they're not going to be curious. So that was what I came up with.